In this article, the writer shares a fun and relaxing trip to Little Liuqiu, a small island near Pingtung. He and his wife took a short ferry ride, rent a scooter, and enjoyed beautiful beaches and snorkeling with turtles. They also watched the sunset at Sunset Pavilion, which sounds peaceful and romantic. On the second day, they learned about sea life with a guide, visited Pretty Cave, and explored Black Devil Cave. The article makes fun travel experience with interesting local history. After reading it, I feel like Little Liuqiu is a great place to visit, and I would love to go there someday too.